First of all, paste your link in a new tab of your favorite or any browser apps you have. And wait for the web to be opened entirely. After the website totally opened, then find the text which showed "I am not robot," then just click the text and you will be redirected to a new landing page. After the new landing page opened, find the text which showed "open" in this area in most cases. And mostly, it would be the biggest text as it showed on the screen. And then, you will see text which show "please wait" with green colored background. Then just wait for a second until the text changed to "unlock download links here" with blue colored background, and click on it so you will be redirected to a new tab of the Shortlink. And you are allowed to close the old tab, and then scroll down in the new tab website. If you found any advertisements, just click close on it as you see on the screen. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will find the text which showed "click here to continue." Click it. And then the website will automatically reload the page. Then scroll down the page and find the text as it showed on the screen. Click on the Get Link text, and close all the advertisements. And finally, you are welcome to the streaming page as it showed on the screen. Wait until the page fully opened to watch the stream. And bingo, now you can watch it perfectly with your lovely cigarette and coffee. That's all, babe. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to hit the like button cause this video has helped you a lot. Give us a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.